hands, and then push upward. Okay, guys, again to the right side. Bend to the left side. Slowly, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, relax. Again, 5, 4. People successfully, Mavis, we can have 2 steps only. The rest is no one are being 3 steps. But for now, you need to practice 2 steps. Okay? So now we can start. 1 and 2. Okay, center. 1 and 2. Other side. Come here. We have 1 and 2. Come here again. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. That's the proper timing. Okay? 5, 5. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Next step. Again. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1. Okay? 2 steps only again. Ready? 4, 1. Ready? 1, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 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 Good job. That's it. 5, 4, 6, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2. 1, 1. Step right. Pivot on the right. From the center. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's it. Pivot. Okay. You need to use that button as your footwork. Okay, we need to replicate our session here is not enough for you to learn, for you to master that one. So I will teach you the basics, how to do it properly at home. At least 30 minutes a day, you need to record that one, do that at home. So that next time, when we resume our session, so we will need to teach you again what we have done the last time. Okay, so it's your homework. Okay, and then your sports. So 30 minutes only a day. That's good. Familiarize, recall every grade that you go to, and then 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours is not enough for you. Okay, when you have to use it, instead you're creating a tool. That's why you have your homework. So what we're going to do here, we need to do it at home. Okay, at least 30 minutes per day. That's the one. That's the one. Very good. The next meeting, you need for me to what? You might do what to do. Okay? In the actual game, it's a application. You are holding the racket. extend. Extend, diba? We are doing this one. That's the application of that. Extend, legs, extend your what? Right hand. Using your racket. Okay, you need to estimate the distance. Because sometimes, if you're going to extend, the shuttlecock is here, but the racket is here. That means you need to what? Estimate on how much extension you're going to do to the right hand. You're holding a racket. Okay? If you need to do like this one, that's okay. If you need to extend more, better. If depending on the distance of the shuttlecock. Again, 1 and 2, go back to the center. 1 and 2. Again, same timing. Okay. The common way to do it is this one. Backwards. This one. So, if you're going to lift it using your right hand, forehand grip, same timing. As you hit the shuttlecock with the position one, same time you make the stump of your feet. So that you can generate power from your left part of your body going to your lift. Same timing. Go back. Do not collect this one. No, same timing. Lift. Lift. Gets? Same side. Okay.
Left side back.
Left side back. You cannot collect this one. Okay, back to the left side. Okay, left side back. Do not put your racket here. As much as possible here. Why? Easy to lift up and down. Here. If here, how many seconds? Here lang siya. Lift up here. Lift here. Okay. If sometimes you will forget, walang siya. Center lang. Pumapagawa mo talaga. If you feel some second, you're not going to but make sure you're going to put your racket here. The leader. Easy for you to lift upward and move downwards. Okay? So now, I need to get your racket. Oh! Get your racket. Okay. 5, react! Swing! Forward! 5, react! Swing! Forward! React! Swing! Forward! Swing! 5, react! Swing! Forward! Acceleration! Going up. Okay, last 2. 5, 4, react! Swing! Forward! Okay, 5, 4, react! Swing! Forward! 5, 4, react! Swing! Forward! Okay, relax. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, everybody stay here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So there will be one training that we will do it again. Okay? So the first pair we have Sheka and Christine. Ayun pair, first pair. Okay. Sheka and Christine, first pair. No. We will have rotation inside the court. Okay? So, two kayo. Christine. Okay. We have Ariana and Robert.
Yay!
Ariana and Robert. Stay here. Okay. Third pair, then dalawa. Okay. Fourth pair, Arvin and Avery. The last pair,
Denise.
Christine and Denise. Lubuli po na kasi yung kalaban ko, may sikas na. Okay, so last pair na Denise. Your partner will be instigator. Okay? Makan! That's it. Lift. Good. Lift. Timing. Lift. Okay, relax. No need for you to smooth. Lift. Back here. Okay, slowly not tight. Get it down, tight. Back it here. Again. And then, okay? Ready? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Hold on! Forehand lift, ma'am. Forehand lift here first. Forehand lift. From here, backhand na. Forehand and backhand. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Forehand na, ano? Forehand lift. Dito, backhand lift. Okay? Stay here. Forehand lift, backhand lift. That's it. Okay. Go. Okay. Now, backhand. Step. This one I'm going here. From here, extend. Oh, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Come on. Forehand pa. Sige, go. Go. Backhand here. Backhand. Okay. Kaya lang. Always face your opponent. Pag-rotate mo, pag ganun ka. Face your opponent. Pag-rotate, you are doing this one. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Give. Rotate. Give. Backhand. That's it. Give. Okay, next. Flowing. Here, 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Forehand, lift, backhand, nice. Forehand. Here it is sa baba. Forehand. That's it. Backhand, flowing. Tama ito yung edge flowing sa backhand. That's it. Good job. Forehand. Okay, Next, Arvin. That you observe what he did a while ago. Okay, ready? Arvin. Ready? Okay, ready, set, go. Rotate. 1. Here. Okay, from here. Forehand. Okay, same time when you extend. Go back here. Backhand. And then, face your opponent. Rotate. Here, go back here again. And then, we have lift. Backhand. Okay, rotate. So now what? Pop the marker. Ready, set, go. Forehand. And then backhand. And forehand. Backhand. Oh, Arvin, you are doing this one. Extend your legs. Forward. Again, extend your legs. Ready. Right foot. Okay, 5, 4. Arvin, knock it here in front. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Lift. Backhand. Lift. With power.
Ay, wow.
Lift. Okay. Wait. Again. 3, 2, go. Set. Lift. Good job. Backside. Lift. Extend. Arvin. Okay, ready na. Sige. Go. Okay, lift. Other side. Backhand. Lift. Okay, sige. Okay, again. Arvin, you are doing this one. You are turning back to your opponent. Always face your opponent. Your opponent is here in front of you. That means from here, backhand, here, look at your opponent. Okay? Look at your opponent. Okay, again. 5. Arvin, 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Hit. Nice one. In front. Good job. Backhand, face in front, Arvin, go there. From here, Arvin, here. This one, okay? Slowly. Bounce lang. Ready. Shot touch. Push. Ikaw ba kaya? Arvin. Soft touch lang ha, Arvin. Soft touch. Dito mo. Okay. Good. Arvin, soft touch. Nice, okay. Okay, Tiny. Soft touch. Good. Push. Nice. Soft touch, Arvin. Sige lang. Okay, move. Wait. Go. Okay. Arvin, go. Okay, 5. Okay, sige na. Soft touch. Tamaan mo, Arvin. That's it. Push. Okay, Arvin. Bakan, push. Go. Okay. Push. Nice. Arvin, hit. Bakan. Push.
Yay!
Okay, makan. Okay. Lagi. Move, pasal. Drop touch. Nice. Push. Good. Same timing ha. Same timing. Go back. Okay. Push.
Yeah, also you. Go.
Drop touch. Nice. Push.
File up, and put near Sir Elmer. Coach Elmer.
Okay. Ready, Christy? Na, ready. Push. Drop touch. Nice. Push. Okay, ready, Christine? Drop touch. Okay, Christine. Pagano'n. Huwag mo dito. Okay. Ilip. Pause lang konti. Okay? Mapipit mo naman yan. Pause lang. Pause. Okay. Ready. Drop touch. Good job. Okay. Yan. Drop touch lang. Yan. Push.
Good job.
Push. Drop touch.
Go, Denise.
Good. Drop touch. Push.
Just put it near Sir Elmer.
Nice. Push. Good. Drop touch. Push. Good. That's it. Go, drop touch. Nice.
Proud.
Nice. Okay, ready?
Nice.
Turn. Okay, ready? Return. Wait, easy. Turn. Okay, sir. Ready? Okay, sir. Turn again. Ready? Okay, position. Ready? Okay, sir. Sir, tara. Sir. Nice. Go. Nice. Go. Go. Nice. Okay, nice. This one. Okay? Good. Good.
Move, Gabriel.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try to reach your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay. We have hold left and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then 1. Right. Other side. Everyone up. Okay. Everyone up. Hello. 16 Footwork at least 30 minutes a day.